For today's video ay ating pag-uusapan ang rule number 10 in learning English. So ito yun siya. Some nouns form the plural by a change in the vowel and sometimes the consonant. So pagka yung plural natin ay sa singular, nagiging iba no ang kanyang spelling. Example nito ay ang foot. Yan, sa singular foot, pero pagka naging plural na siya, nagiging feet. Example, goose. Pagka naging plural, nagiging geese. Another example is louse. Louse, pagka plural, singular, pero pagka plural, nagiging lice. Another example is man. Man in singular, magiging men in plural. Another is mouse. Mouse in singular and mice in plural. Another is tooth. Tooth in singular, teeth in plural. And the last example here is woman. Woman in singular and women in plural. Ayan mga palangga, ang ating rule number 10. Some nouns form the plural by a change in the vowel and sometimes the consonant. So sana po may natutunan kayo. Maraming salamat.